Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create sales pipelines in Hubspot. Perfect for beginners and anyone looking for streamline their sales process in 2025. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this guide will help you to set up your pipeline step by step so you can manage deals effectively and close more sales. Alright, let's get started. First, open up your browser and head to hubspot.com. Once you're in homepage, click the sign in button at the top right corner. After logging in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. This is your control center for all things sales and CRM. Now look for the plus icon on the screen. Clicking this allows you to create something new in your account. From the list options, select deal. In HubSpot, deals are like placeholders for potential revenue. They represent your sales opportunities. Once you have selected deal, it's time to enter the key details. This is important because better information equals better tracking. Start by entering the deal name. Usually, this includes the client's name or the project title. Then add the expected amount, which is the potential value of the deal. And don't forget to set the close date, which is when you aim to finalize the sale. These fields are super important for organizing your pipeline and forecasting future revenue. And just like that, you have created your first deal in your sales pipelines. Simple, right? By following these steps, you are setting yourself up for more organized and productive sales management. Just to remember, building the pipeline is only your beginning. To make it truly effective, keep updating it regularly and always track the progress of each deal. With the time and practice, HubSpot can become a powerful tool in your sales arsenal. Thanks for watching. If you found this very helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips like this. See you in the next one.